Now for this part we have to draw a speed time graph for the motion of the car, and I've started off by drawing our axes here. We've got the horizontal axis represents time labelled in seconds, and we've got the vertical axis here for the speed v in meters per second. Now we're told then that this car starts from a point A when time t is 0, so this will be our point A here when t is 0, and it accelerates at a constant rate of a meters per second until it reaches a speed of 15 meters per second. So you can expect to have a graph looking something like this, and it reaches that speed of 15 meters per second, and we're also told in a time of a third t. So directly below there, just mark in that that's a third t. Then we're told the car moves at a constant speed of 15 meters per second. So there's no acceleration, so you'd expect it to be a horizontal line. And it moves at this speed of 15 meters per second for t seconds. For a further t seconds. So that means that this interval of time from here to this point here is t. And you'll be careful here, it's not that this time is t. It's going to be a third t plus a further t. So that's going to be 4/3 t. Now when it gets to this point, we're told that it decelerates. It decelerates at a constant rate of 2.5 meters per second. And in the previous part we found out that it took 6 seconds before it came to rest. So therefore you've got a graph looking something like this, okay? And we know that 6 seconds, that interval in there, so as far as the time goes at this point here, it's going to be this time 4/3 t plus a further 6 seconds. Alright? Now if you want to add any more to this graph you can. I don't think you need to though, but do remember that the area under the graph represents distance, and we know that that area is going to be 885, or the equivalent of 885 units, to correspond with the 885 meters that we're told this car travels, but you don't have to write that in there. We're going to use this fact later on. Okay, so essentially I feel that that's the kind of thing that you should be drawing then to get the marks for this question. Okay?